Well, top of the morning, everybody. Welcome back to a Road Trip Garage. So this morning, I'm going to show you this. This here little piece is what I'm hoping is the cure to my problems. How does this work? I don't even know. This is an ignition switch for our Super Duty. So what's happening is our Super Duty is killing batteries, and the ignition is staying on somehow, even though I have the key in my hand. So I keep having to disconnect the battery, and that's really not good for business, to be quite honest with you. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I need a 7mm. So not knowing specifically how to fix it, I Googled it. Thank you, Google. So we're gonna go out and change this. This part suggestion was actually from our good friend Tom. He was like, hey, you should check your ignition switch. So we did, and I have no way of testing it, so I'm just changing it. I mean, it wasn't terrible. It was like 30 bucks for the part or something, so it wasn't awful by any means. Now I gotta find a T30. That's a 25. That's a 27. And there's a 30. Okay. So we just need a handful of tools because the truck's outside and I'm not really particularly interested in reconnecting the battery and taking it all apart, dragging it over. So we're just gonna go outside and do it in the yard. I know, redneckery, that's what we do. Bring that. Let's grab the part and go for a walk. Yeah, I've got a job coming up where we're gonna need the Super Duty. Put it to work, so I can't have it killing batteries. Makes sense. Oh, I want to say hi to the puppy. Want to say hi, Shelvers? Who's that? Want to say hi, Shelby? That's our puppy. That's Shelby. All right, let me get the truck opened up and we'll get this process started. All right, according to Google, we got to pop our panel off. Oops. Oh yeah, our cover came off of our fuse panel. That's okay. And this is it, right here. That's what we're changing. So, let's see. And then we got to take this 7mm out. And we got T30 Torx somewhere in here. Is it a T30? What do we got? There we go. Where's the other one? Is it in here? Can't find it. You're gonna be in here, aren't you? All right. Let me see if I can get that. I might have to take this off. Okay, guys, to make my life easier, I actually took the lower casing off of this steering column because I could not get to this friggin' bolt. So let's get this bolt out of here. Apparently this is a pretty common issue with these trucks. I mean, I'm not well experienced in it to be able to give you a concrete 100% answer on that, but that's what they say. All right, I'm thread the whole thing right out. All right, let's go. There we go. Well, It doesn't look all oxidized. Let's not throw it out. Let's hang on to it in case it's not my problem. All right. So they're telling me I gotta make sure it lines up to fit into that hole there. There's a slot in here. Can you guys, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right up in there. Right in there, that hole. This pin's gotta actually line up into it. So, all right. Oh. Let's see what happens. Tighten this up. Okay, let's line up that pin. Hold on, in you go. That it? I think I got it lined up. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there it is. All right. Where's my other one? There it is. There we go. Okay, let's see if we turn the key, if we can hear that latch doing its thing. Let's see. I have no way of knowing. All right, well, I'm gonna reconnect the battery and we'll see if it does what it's supposed to do. All right, we've got our power connected. Push that clutch in. All right. Oh yeah, our radio's gonna be all messed up. So it's a pretty low mile truck. That's 170,000 kilometers, which is only like 105, 110,000 miles. For an 01, that's not a lot. Okay, so let's shut it off. Okay, hang on. So usually when I turn the ignition off, my blower motor still works. So that's a good sign. It's not. And usually my daytime running lights are on. Oh, they're not. Oh, yes. That, my friends, is fantastic. That was a quick little repair. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna say thanks for hanging in. Hopefully this helps somebody else out, because I know whoever posted it that I watched, it saved my hide. So I'm gonna share the love, pass this video on, and hopefully other people can reap the benefits of it if they have an older Super Duty with ignition problems. And I hope you guys have a great day.